Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Serapi rugs. Now, Serapi rugs are woven near the Hariz region of Iran, which is the northwest part of Iran, specifically near the Serab region. And they're known for having grandiose designs, large rugs made for almost palace-sized homes. You'll see a lot of similarities with the Serapi rugs in accordance to the Hariz rugs because they're woven near the same region. A lot of geometric designs, large bold medallions, and the similar type of earth tones that are used in terms of the color. However, there are some slight differences in comparison to a Hariz rug. Usually you'll see that, again, Hariz rugs are a little bit smaller in scale. Serapi rugs are much larger in scale when they're woven. You'll also notice that when you look at the color tones, the earth tones are a little bit more soft in comparison to the Hariz rug. You'll see some of the Hariz rugs would have more of that rusty red tone. With the Serapi, you'll see that it tends a little bit more towards brown instead of being more of a red rust. Now, another important thing to note about Serapi rugs is that they're highly sought after by collectors. They're extremely rare to come by. They're very fine in terms of the weave. And what's really interesting is, again, the size that they're made in. Usually you don't find them to be in this type of smaller area rug size. You'll see them in the larger sizes, but just look at the fine weave here. They're absolutely magnificent in terms of the weave and the type of quality that they have. And that's why they last for so many years. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.